full body hit for you today. There's gonna be no equipment. It's gonna be all using your own body. We're gonna sweat, it's gonna be great. We're doing each exercise is at least 20 reps, and we're gonna try to hit 4 to 5 times through. So just remember, I'll say it again, because I'm blonde and I know I forget, and I know you guys forget. So stay tuned and get ready to sweat. The first exercise we have are 20 half burpees. So we're not coming all the way up. We are standing in that plank, jumping up, splitting it all the way back down. So 20, here we go.
You've been going to the one on Florida or what?
Alright, up next we have 40 mountain climbers, so 20 on each side. So we're making sure we're tucking our belly button into our spine, shoulders are stacked over our wrists, and we're driving that knees into our chest. Okay, so this next one's gonna be a little bit harsh on the knees, so it's gonna be ankle taps. So I'm gonna show you the first way to do it, and then if you can kick it up a notch. So that first one, you're standing right here. You're just tapping those ankles. A lot easier on the joints, a lot easier on the knees. If you can, you're right here for 40. And take a little bit of a break. But if not, and you're needing to be right here, that's fine. Just making sure you're driving your foot up so it still puts a little bit of high intensity, a little bit in those glutes. And then take a breather. So we got some legs next. All right, guys, like I promised, it's gonna be legs. So we're gonna do a lot of squats in between, because we are gonna do a reverse lunge, squat, and then we're hitting that other side for that reverse lunge. All 3 of them is a total of 1. So we got 20. And then after you hit 20, you're pulsing for 5. And then you're shaking it out, because that one's gonna hurt. Woo. Okay, up next we got butterfly sit-ups. So the big difference between butterflies, you're gonna stick those feet together, and then when you're coming up, you want those shoulder blades to tap off of the ground. So you're doing a full, all the way up, as high as you can. Pushing your hips into the floor. And on that last one, you're gonna hold as high as you can, and then lower down really slowly. And then full body stretch it out. Woo. All right, up Up next, we got 20 push-ups. So I'm gonna show you the easier modification, and then if we're going ham today, so we have all these options. So that first one, you're right here, your knees are down, but you're sending your hips forward. So you're not like this, your hips are forward, you're going touching the ground and coming back up. If that's you, you are having your whole entire chest hit that floor to really engage that front part of the shoulder, engage that chest. If you're not, you're gonna kick up your feet. You're here. Either way, if your feet are up and you're going all the way down, try to at least break 90, getting that chest and that front part of the shoulder activated. If you're on that floor and your knees are on the ground, remember you're sending your hips forward. You don't want your hips up and back because that doesn't necessarily work your shoulders. It doesn't really work anything. So hips forward, chest all the way down, engage shoulders and the chest. One more exercise. Last one we have is shoulder taps. You're gonna get into that high plank again. We're always wanting those shoulders stacked over those wrists to put it in that core, sucking that belly button to that spine, protecting that lower back. And then we're gonna tap the front part of your shoulders. And when you do this, most people try to turn their hips up in order to tap, but you want those hips parallel to the floor. And that's what's solely gonna keep it really in that core, because we want that firm foundation, because from the core comes everything. So we're keeping those hips parallel to the floor. Remember, we're doing at least 20 of every exercise. I kind of let you know, but we're gonna try to go 4 to 5 rounds all the way through. Try to get through each round with a little bit of rest as possible, and then take about a minute or so rest at the end, and then start it back up. Full body hit. You can do this at home, outside, if it's nice and you're not in Arizona. You can do it at the gym. You can do it anywhere you want because it literally only takes you. So, like, subscribe. I hope that you like it. I can't breathe, and I'll catch you next week.